So in this video, I'm going to show you some free templates from Wall Street Oasis, and I will post these in the description below. But here's some examples. They've got models, templates for like income statements, debt schedules, free cash flow to equity, discounted cash flow, and sensitivity analysis. So let me click on this DCF model template to show you what you've got. So you can download it. There's a screenshot of the sneak peek, what it is, and then they've got more resources here. So like if you click on the attachment, they will open it up for you in the online Excel, and then you can edit a copy or download it, I believe. Yeah, so you can save it to your OneDrive or file, save as, and then you can save a copy or download a copy. But this is the example of a discounted cash flow model. And here, interesting enough, they've got a lot of stuff here for you. They got all the different assumptions, the income statement, cash flow, debt schedule. I mean, it's all built in here for you. So you can play around with it and see how all the different sheets talk to each other and what's going on. See if there were other ones here. So they've also got the WACC calculation there for you, weighted average cost of capital. Okay. All right, so let's go back. They've got a bunch of different Excel model templates. So another one I'll show you as an example is this amortization schedule template. Download this one. This one I'll just look at. There's the Amort one. So what's nice with this one is it tells you where it's pulling the stuff from. So this is coming from the IS, which is highlighted in yellow, which is nice. This is coming from the income statement. It gives you all the different assumptions and what's going on here. Show you one more and then just a couple other things from this website. So they got private equity models, hedge fund models. They've got a lot of other resources too for like Word, presentation, Excel even, and career guides for those interested in finance. There's all their different resources on the resources tab. Excel resources, Word, PowerPoint, and they've got other training career things as well. So the link will be in the description below for their financial modeling templates, and you can explore further as you wish. But this is free, available online to you.